Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting session with my AI trading bot. Today I want to show you how this incredible bot consistently delivering 98% accurate signals, allowing me to grow my portfolio and achieve financial freedom. This isn't about luck, it's about precision and advanced technology doing the hard work for you. Over the past few weeks, this bot has helped me make consistent profits every single day. Whether it is a $100 profit or scalping up to thousands, the results speak for themselves. And the best part, it runs 24/7 and analyzes the market in real-time data so I can focus on what matters most, growing my wealth. If you are tired of unreliable methods and want a proven way to trade smarter, and now it is time to take action. The link to join in the comment section and section below. Start your trading today and see the results for yourself.